welcome back to my YouTube channel. Wow, what another vlog, another week. I'm just so happy. Today is Thursday and we are in June. I'm just so glad, guys, to speak to you again today. I received a parcel and I want to unbox it with you guys. I don't know what is in there because I've been ordering a lot of stuff, so that's the reason. It's not that I forgot anything like that. No, it's just about me having a lot of orders, and I'm quite excited about this unboxing, and which is a surprise. Right, so yeah, I hope you guys had a great week, and I can't stop thanking you guys for your subscription to my channel, your likes and comment. What a beautiful atmosphere. It's amazing to see all of us just growing and supporting one another's channel. It's amazing. And plus we have a beautiful weather today in Britain, in the area of Wales. It's awesome. I cannot stop wishing this weather will remain, because we often get a little bit of sun during summer. But hey, when we are lucky, we get loads of sun, and as you know, sun brings joy. Yeah, without further ado, let's get cracking and open this parcel. Hey, what is in here? Can you guess what is in it? No, you can guess. Let's go ahead. Oh my god, I've opened the box. What do I see first? Newspapers. Lots of paper. Hey. What I've got yeah, I made an order, and it is this alphabetic pendant on a cord. It's so pretty. Like, it's made of zirconia. It's amazingly pretty. So here, this is how it goes. I'll show you one. Basically, you got different letters pendant on a black cord, and here I've got the letter W, so you just basically have it around your neck, and the pendant have zirconia crystals around it. That's pretty awesome, I like it. Okay, let's go. A different one. I've got a cross there with zircon, an apple. Oh, we got different design. Letter I, letter L, and see that? Awesome. And I also got I'm sure you're probably wondering what I've ordered in bulk. It's because I'm gonna resell some of this item on my eBay uploading, eBay sale. I'm going to be selling some of this item on my online site. And yeah, if you're looking to buy item like a cord pendant, cord with pendants, please do browse on my website. Hopefully you find some of this stuff. Also I've got I know some people like the initial of their names. That's why I've got some alphabetical letters. Let's say your name starts with the letter W, like William, then you have that pendant. But however, I mostly have here a cartoon character. Ooh, I love the apple banana. Look at this apple one. Oh gosh, it's cute. Cute. So cute. Look at this. Oh my god, this is an awesome piece of necklace. I'm going to link it below for those who want to buy it. Basically, it comes with a cord. You just literally tie it around your neck. It's like a collar. You see? It's so beautiful, awesome. Oh yeah, this is how it looks like. Look at this beautiful piece of necklace. Amazing. I love the crystal around it, and it's made of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. It's made of 24 crystal, this beautiful necklace. Please check it on my website. I'm going to link it below. I'm sure you will like it, guys. Look around my neck. It's amazing.